What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Krl KRL, which has gone through an insane amount of percentage increase. As you guys can see here, a huge green candlestick, and it has passed the $1 mark and has pumped up over a massive 100% in the last 24 hours. Why is it pumping so much? What is next for the crypto? That's what we're going to be going through, looking at, is it too late to invest into it? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading up to $1.20, 30 cents, and over the long run hitting about $2 to $3 later on in the year, and covering buyers and sellers point of view as well. And on the bright side, Bitcoin has also pumped up over 7%, finally heading back over $70,000 guys, which has also had a major positive impact on the crypto market. So the market so far is looking quite strong. So before I go any further, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And also guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But let me just mention this one thing here. As you guys can see, Krl has pumped up from the green zone, broken out 1, 2, 3 resistance targets without resisting, and right now currently trading in the top tier level. So that in itself proves something to me, which I will mention later on. For now, let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. It's looking a little bit too steep. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Krl to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason being is, I'm expecting that the crypto to hit more red candles towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, dropping down to below 80 cents is what I'm expecting. Reason being is, personally, I'm predicting that the crypto is overvalued right now, especially that it's done near about 100% in the last 24 hours is absolutely crazy. So it is due to hit more red candles over the coming hours, making it drop back down in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again the lines are looking way too steep to be realistic. Both the blue and the orange line are heading upwards and looking very steep. So once again, this is not realistic. Exact same as the previous chart. Over the coming week, so over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Krl to have gone for an overall drop in value once again, potentially dropping down to around 60 to 65 cents in value is where I'm expecting Krl to be trading at by the end of the week. However, in between that time, it is also likely to hit green and red candles, quite volatile, but the red days are likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall minimal, well not minimal, but an overall drop in value is what is expected from Krl over the coming week. Moving on to the daily chart, again exact same. The blue line is looking way too steep, however the orange line is slanting towards a positive direction, looking a little bit more realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late May 2024, I'm expecting Krl to be hovering around the $1 mark guys. So essentially around its current price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, as I mentioned earlier, over the coming week or two, it is likely to go for a price correction, dropping back down to around 55 cents in value and slowly and steadily starting to gain value for most of April and May, making it pump up to around its current price range is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, if there are any major updates to this for Krl, if for example, I'm expecting a major pump or a drop or anything that can have an impact on the value of this crypto, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. Before I get into the technical analysis, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested on regular updates on the crypto market. You guys can join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is usually $29.99 a month. However, using discount code DEC10, you get 50% off to make it $14.99 a month. And again, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only as well. So just to give you guys a brief explanation as to what happens once you sign up, you get put into two group chats. The first one is where I show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind that I'm a long-term trader. And the second chat is where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect and what to predict. And you guys can also ask me questions on analysis and predictions on different cryptocurrencies, which I will also provide. Again, don't worry about the figures here of Bitcoin because this screenshot is nearly 2 years old, but this is what happens in the group chat. If you guys are interested, link is in the description box down below. And now back to Krl. So as I mentioned, the crypto is overvalued, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the fact that it's broken at each resistance level without resisting a single bit means that it has to potentially drop back down all the way back into the green zone around 55 to 60 cents in value over the coming week or two, and then slowly starting to gain value. Resisting at each resistance level is what my expectations are at the moment. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 6,400% up in the last 24 hours, making it over $17 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is, of course, the value of Krl has pumped up like crazy over the last 24 hours. So there's a lot more people involved right now, a lot of people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. But one thing I would say is, for those of you guys who are buying the crypto right now, make sure your risk management is on point. As I mentioned, I'm expecting it to dip back down in value. So can Krl essentially hit the $5 mark in 2024? Personally, $5 is a little bit of a push for Krl, especially that I'm expecting it to go for a price correction over the coming weeks. I'm not expecting it to hit $5 anytime this year, potentially heading up to $2 in the second half of the year is what my expectations are, but $5 for me is out of the scale. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.